Ever felt that post-delivery buzz, that electric thrill of finally owning your Tesla, slowly morph into a mild panic when you realize you need that final invoice? You know, the one with all the nitty-gritty details, the breakdown of every option, the tax, the registration, the whole shebang? You're not alone. In a world of digital everything, where's that crucial document hiding? Is it buried in some obscure corner of the app, lost in an email abyss, or does it require a secret handshake with a Tesla representative? Let's be honest, buying a Tesla is a significant investment. It's not just about the car, it's about embracing a new era of technology and sustainability. And with that investment comes the need for clear, accessible documentation. That final invoice, that detailed breakdown, isn't just a piece of paper, it's proof of purchase, essential for tax purposes, insurance claims, and even just for your own peace of mind. Now, you might be thinking, surely, it's just a click away, right? Well, not always. Tesla's digital ecosystem, while generally sleek and efficient, can sometimes feel like a labyrinth, especially when you're looking for specific documents. And let's face it, digging through endless menus and emails isn't exactly how you envision spending your time after taking delivery of your dream car. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the point. Where exactly can you find your final invoice on Tesla? The answer, as with many things Tesla, is multifaceted and evolving. The primary location you'll want to check is within your Tesla account, accessible either through the Tesla app on your smartphone or via the Tesla website on your computer. Let's start with the app. Open your Tesla app and navigate to your profile. This is usually represented by a small avatar or initials in the top right corner. Once in your profile, look for a section related to your vehicle or orders. The exact wording might vary, but it often includes terms like manage, vehicle details, or documents. This is where things can get a bit tricky, as the interface and available documents can change with app updates. Within this section, you're searching for something that explicitly states final invoice, purchase agreement, or order details. If you don't see it immediately, don't panic. Sometimes, the invoice might be packaged within a larger document that encompasses the entire purchase process. Look for a PDF or similar file format that you can download. If the app doesn't yield the desired result, your next step is to check the Tesla website. Log into your Tesla account on a computer. The interface is generally more robust and easier to navigate on a larger screen. Again, navigate to your vehicle or order details. The website often provides a more comprehensive overview of your purchase, including downloadable documents. Here's a crucial tip: look for a section specifically labeled Documents or Order Documents. This section is where Tesla typically stores important paperwork related to your purchase. If you still can't find your invoice, consider checking your email. Tesla often sends important documents, including the final invoice, via email. Search your inbox for emails from Tesla, using keywords like invoice, purchase, order, or delivery. Another important aspect to remember is that the timing of invoice availability can vary. In some cases, the invoice might be available immediately after delivery. In other cases, it might take a few days or even a week to appear in your account or email. If you've just taken delivery, give it a little time. However, if you've waited a reasonable amount of time and still can't locate your invoice, it's time to contact Tesla directly. The best way to do this is through the Tesla app. Navigate to the support section and initiate a message or call. Explain your situation clearly and provide your order number or vehicle identification number, VIN. Tesla customer support is generally helpful and can guide you to the correct location or resend the invoice if necessary. Now, let's delve into some potential reasons why you might be having trouble finding your invoice. One common reason is that the document might be named differently than you expect. Tesla might use terms like purchase agreement, final delivery document, or order summary instead of final invoice. Be sure to look for documents that contain detailed financial information, including the total purchase price, taxes, fees, and any applicable discounts or credits. Another factor to consider is the region or country where you purchased your Tesla. Documentation and naming conventions can vary slightly depending on local regulations and Tesla's internal processes. If you're unsure about the specific terminology used in your region, don't hesitate to ask Tesla customer support for clarification. Furthermore, if you financed your Tesla through a third-party lender, the invoice might be sent directly to the lender or included in the loan documentation. Check with your lender to see if they have a copy of the invoice. It's also important to remember the possibility of human error. Mistakes can happen, and sometimes, documents might be misplaced or not uploaded correctly. If you've exhausted all other options and still can't find your invoice, it's crucial to escalate the issue with Tesla customer support. Be persistent and polite, and clearly explain the importance of the document. Finding your final invoice on Tesla might require a bit of detective work, but it's an essential document to have. By following these steps and utilizing the available resources, you should be able to locate your invoice and gain a clear understanding of your purchase. Remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, and Tesla is known for its frequent updates. So, while these guidelines are accurate at the time of this video, it's always a good idea to stay informed and utilize Tesla's official support channels for the most up-to-date information. Ultimately, your final invoice is a key piece of your Tesla ownership journey. It provides transparency, accountability, and peace of mind. And while navigating the digital landscape can sometimes be challenging, with a bit of patience and persistence, you'll find what you're looking for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.